Welcome to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. We Are Who We Are is a heartbreaking story about teenage identity and sexuality set in a fictional American army base in Italy. The drama, which explores the anguish, curiosity, and exhilaration of exploring one's teen years, takes place against the backdrop of the 2016 US presidential campaign and election. Co-created and directed by Luca Guadagnino, it does a remarkable job of focusing on the smaller details. Critics have even dubbed it as small screen poetry and an immersive, visceral, and unsettling experience. We Are Who We Are was conceptualized as a mini-series, but the positive reviews garnered by the inaugural installment may have paved the way for the series to continue beyond the intended run. So let's dive a bit deeper into the details of its future. Clearly, Guadagnino is not one to let go of projects easily. Jack Dylan Grazer, who plays Fraser, told Interview magazine that Luca is terrible at goodbyes and they did not even have a wrap party for the show. He was just like, okay, that's a wrap. Bye everybody. And he left, Grazer said. This could suggest that Guadagnino is keeping the door open for a return to the material. At the very least, he told the playlist that he is always interested in the idea of meta, that the We Are Who We Are characters could resurface in his works in subtle and different ways. We Are Who We Are Season 1 premiered on September 14th of 2020 on HBO. It wrapped up with its 8th episode on November 2nd of 2020. Now, as far as the second season goes, creator Luca Guadagnino is all in. He explained during an interview that he and his team of co-creators Sion Conway, Paolo Giordano, and Francesca Menieri have already written a Bible for the next edition. The entire project was completed during the lockdown 2020 since they did not want to waste their time. After innumerable Zoom calls, the crew had carved out a follow-up story for the show's different characters. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. However, a final decision will depend on HBO and the channel has not officially renewed the series yet. But the good ratings showcased by the first season and the willingness of the creative team to go ahead with a new iteration should guarantee a season 2. Although the show was initially conceptualized as a limited edition, we are optimistic that news of its renewal will be announced soon. If that happens in the next couple of months, we can expect We Are Who We Are Season 2 to premiere sometime in 2022. It might be a while before we see the next installment, since Guadagnino is already working on multiple projects and he has no intention of rushing any one of them. Still, if anything were to lure him back to the lives of Caitlin Fraser and the rest, it would likely be the 2020 election. Guadagnino was first inspired to set We Are Who We Are in 2016 because there's no better trigger for a story than change and someone who is coping with his or hers, their identity and sense of self, he explained to Collider. Much like the disillusionment and frustration of growing up, Guadagnino said that the 2016 election was the end of a phase in American society. It's the end of our sense of reconciliation. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. The lead cast of We Are Who We Are comprises of Chloe Sevigny as Sarah Wilson, a colonel in the United States Army. Sarah is mom to Fraser, Jack Dylan Grazer, a teen with a penchant for fashion who moves to Veneto. Alice Braga stars as Maggie Teixeira, a major in the US Army and Sarah's wife. We also have Jordan Christine Siaman as Caitlin Porteous, a girl who befriends Fraser and struggles with a sexual identity. Rounding up Caitlin's family is her brother Danny, Spence Moore too, her dad Lieutenant Colonel Richard Porteous, Scott Mescudi, and her mom Jenny Faith Alabi. Other important characters are played by Francesca Scorisi as Brittany Orton, Ben Taylor as Sam Pratchett, Corey Knight as Craig Pratchett, and Tom Mercier as Jonathan Krichweski. Leaving Knight, whose character is killed in the penultimate episode of Season 1, the rest of the cast is expected to return for Season 2. Season 1 of We Are Who We Are ends on a heartfelt note. Fraser and Caitlin say their goodbyes with a warm kiss, but this does not mean that they are a couple. It means they are teens who do not live life on others' terms. So what does the gesture signify for their future? As per the creators, the story in Season 2 may undergo a time jump, showcasing Caitlin and Fraser in their 20s. On the other hand, Season 1 is set in 2016 when the presidential election ended a phase in American society, as per creator Luca Guadagnino. Therefore, Season 2 will most likely be narrated against the backdrop of the 2020 presidential elections. Guadagnino has already hinted that he would love to capture the stories of the different characters as they grapple with their hopes, ambitions, and identities in an unsettling political climate. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and for more box office, movie, web series reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com. And if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.